For more than 70 years, a US-based fishing rod manufacturer built a sterling reputation for producing some of the best-made, highest-quality rods on the market. But behind the scenes, the company was facing a threat to its very reputation. To keep costs down, the company had turned to subcontract manufacturing in China for production of one of its products. In China, operating costs were low. By subcontracting, companies didn't have to make capital investment. Logistics and infrastructure in the country were reliable, and many companies adopted this approach for a competitive advantage. For the American fishing rod manufacturer, subcontracting in China worked pretty well. For a while. But eventually, problems arose, including long delivery times, quality issues, and rising costs. And there was another problem that had the potential to derail the company completely: intellectual property theft, an ever-present problem in China. In response to the threat, the company turned to Bob Penica, a former COO of Callaway Golf, to look at an alternative to subcontract manufacturing in China. He remembers the issues the company sought to overcome.
They were having difficulty getting the flow of product out of their supplier, as well as the mix that they wanted in those products. And it was giving them their own customer service issues. And it was a constant source of frustration. Additionally, there is an ongoing concern that contracted manufacturers will share intellectual property and trade secrets with their other customers. We absolutely see that in the fishing rod industry, and I don't think we're alone there. And the frustrating part of that is when it's industry specific, you know it's being shared with your competitors, and it's a very, very hard thing to manage.
To lessen its reliance on subcontracting in China, Bob guided the company in setting up its own manufacturing facility, right in North America. This gave the company shorter delivery time and direct oversight of quality in its own facility. Company executives also gained peace of mind that their intellectual property was being protected. For the American fishing rod manufacturer, leaving China couldn't have happened at a better time. In recent years, other issues have arisen for companies engaging in China subcontracting, causing manufacturers to re-examine the buy it or build it question. Spotting an opportunity, Bob partnered with Doug Donahue, a seasoned practitioner in North American manufacturing. They formed Strategic Footprint to guide manufacturers looking to lessen their dependence on China subcontracting and produce closer to home.
This trend of companies wanting to be closer to their customers is becoming more and more pronounced. By engaging in regional or local production, manufacturers are able to achieve that. In addition, they are sidestepping the macro-political issues that have become increasingly common in today's world and are a real threat to the business.
Bob and Doug have moved production away from China subcontracting several times. They know the steps, risks, and costs that companies need to consider. Are you looking to lessen your dependence on China subcontracting? Do you want to take back control of your company's future? Visit our website to learn more about Strategic Footprint and set up a consultation today. We can guide you to a more promising tomorrow. www.strategicfootprint.com